Welcome to our channel. Today, we're exploring the vibrant world of the Baltimore Oriole, a bird known for its striking orange and black plumage and melodious songs. These beautiful birds are not only a delight to birdwatchers, but also play a crucial role in our ecosystem. Let's dive into some amazing facts about the Baltimore Oriole. 1. Scientific name: the Baltimore Oriole's scientific name is Icterus gulbula. 2. Bright plumage. Males are known for their bright orange and black feathers, while females are more subdued with yellow, orange, and brown. 3. State bird. The Baltimore Oriole is the state bird of Maryland. 4. Diet. They primarily eat insects, fruit, and nectar. 5. Migration. Baltimore Orioles migrate to Central America, northern South America, and the Caribbean for the winter. 6. Nesting. They build hanging, pouch-like nests woven from plant fibers. 7. Song. Their song is a series of rich, whistling notes. 8. Habitat. They prefer open woodlands, forest edges, and suburban areas. 9. Breeding season. Breeding season typically starts in late April and lasts through July. 10. Eggs. Females lay 3 to 7 pale blue or gray eggs with dark markings. 11. Incubation. The incubation period is about 12 to 14 days. 12. Fledging. Young orioles fledge about 12 to 14 days after hatching. 13. Lifespan. They can live up to 11 years in the wild. 14. Size. Baltimore Orioles are about 7 to 8 inches long with a wingspan of around 9 to 12 inches. 15. Weight. They weigh approximately 1 to 1.5 ounces. 16. Molting. They molt once a year, usually after the breeding season. 17. Feeding habits. They are known to pierce fruit to drink the juice. 18. Predators. Common predators include snakes, squirrels, and larger birds. 19. Conservation status. They are currently listed as least concern. 20. Courtship. Males perform a courtship display that includes singing and showing off their bright plumage. 21. Territorial. Males are territorial during the breeding season. 22. Hybridization. They can hybridize with Bullock's Orioles where their ranges overlap. 23. Name origin. The name Oriole comes from the Latin word aureolus, meaning golden. 24. Historical significance. Named after Lord Baltimore, whose coat of arms featured similar colors. 25. Sugar cravings. They have a sweet tooth and are attracted to sugar water and jelly. 26. Nest location. Nests are often placed high in trees, usually at the tips of branches. 27. Migration timing. They typically migrate at night. 28. Feather color. The bright orange color in males comes from carotenoid pigments in their diet. 29. Song learning. Young males learn their songs from adult males. 30. Winter diet. In winter, they eat more fruit and nectar. 31. Adaptability. They adapt well to human environments and can be attracted to backyard feeders. 32. Nest construction. Females do most of the nest building. 33. Parental care. Both parents feed the young one. Migration distance. They can travel thousands of miles during migration. 34. Migration distance. They can travel thousands of miles during migration. 35. Banding studies. Banding studies have provided much of what we know about their migration patterns. 36. Vocalizations. Besides their song, they also have a variety of calls. 37. Insect control. They help control insect populations by eating pests. 38. Fruit preferences. They particularly enjoy oranges and berries. 39. Nest material. They use a variety of materials, including grass, hair, and string. 40. Breeding range. Their breeding range extends from the eastern United States to southern Canada. 41. Wintering range. They winter from southern Mexico to northern South America. 42. Color variation. Some individuals may show more red or yellow in their plumage. 43. Song variation. Their song can vary regionally. 44. Feeding technique. They often feed by gleaning insects from leaves and branches. 45. Nest predation. Nests are sometimes parasitized by cowbirds. 46. Climate change. Climate change may affect their migration and breeding patterns. 47. Cultural impact. They are a popular subject in art and literature. 48. Observation. They are a favorite among birdwatchers. 49. Conservation efforts. Efforts to preserve their habitat are crucial for their survival. 50. Inspiration. The Baltimore Oriole continues to inspire bird enthusiasts and conservationists alike. And there you have it, 50 amazing facts about Baltimore Orioles. These stunning birds are not only a joy to watch, but also play an important role in our environment. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating wildlife facts. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.